My friend saw my hair one day and was wondering what I usually use on it to make it soft, to make it very, very manageable as a 4C hair girly. And I told her not to worry, that I will try to make a video explaining to my friend and every other person that is in the same shoes as my friend. So unlike popular opinion that 4C hair is very hard to manage, I'm here to tell you that it is actually simple if you know the techniques to follow. So as you can see, my hair is very dry in this video. It is not well managed at all, and the juicy part of everything is I have flaxseed gel in this pink applicator bottle. Yes, flaxseed gel helped me to provide sleep for my hair. It makes my hair more manageable for combing. It makes wash day very, very easy. I use it as a pre-poo treatment, meaning I use it before I shampoo my hair, and since then my hair has been way manageable than before. All you need to do is get your flaxseed, measure your desired quantity, and boil it in the water suitable for that quantity. Once you bring it to a rolling boil, you leave it to cool for a bit, then you strain it. Don't allow it to cool too much so that it does not become too difficult for you to strain, and don't allow it to be too hot so that you don't get yourself burnt. Moving on, flaxseed is known to have omega-3 fatty acid, which is very good for strengthening our hair, very good for giving our hair all the nutrients that it needs. It is also very good as your pre-poo treatment. One thing about pre-poo treatment is you need something that has sleep, something that you can easily comb through, something that will not just act as a before treatment for your shampoo day or whatnot, but also something that will give your hair the nutrients that it deserves. So my friend has always complained that her hair is very dry, it breaks easily. Anytime she goes to the salon and they detangle her hair, she sees like chunk of her hair on the comb and on the floor. So she was so worried, and she noticed that I'm a hair coach, and she know that I will prefer a lot of solution for her. So like I said, the first step is to get a product that has sleep, just like flaxseed gel. Another option is your aloe vera gel. And there are lots of pre-poo treatment out there that you can actually just fix for yourself. Moving on, try as much as possible to detangle with moisture. That is using water, leave-in conditioner. You spray your water for hydration, then you use leave-in conditioner for extra moisture. Once that is done, you can now proceed to detangle your hair. If you want to add like extra on your hair, you can use shea butter. It is optional, but I would advise that if you have it, you can apply it on your hair and detangle from the tip of your hair to the root of your hair. And once you're done detangling, twist up that section before you go to the next section, as you see me do in this video. Don't be like my friend that detangles her hair very, very dry. She does not apply any form of water. She just comb the hair from the tip to the root without any form of moisture. If you know you're going to detangle from the tip to the root, the first thing you need to have at the back of your mind is that you need to section your hair into like 6 parts or 8 parts, depending on how full your hair is. Then you take a section, you spray water on it using a spray bottle. After that, you massage it into your hair. Then you apply a generous amount of leave-in conditioner. Thereafter, you can apply your shea butter if you have it, but it's totally optional. Then you detangle from the tip of the hair gently to the root of your hair. Don't ever detangle from the root to the tip of your hair. You would, prevent a lot of breakage if you do it the right way. And also, when you are working with your hair, you need to be very patient. I noticed that my friend was always doing things in a hurry as regards her hair. She's not always settled while doing her hair. You need to be settled. Your mind needs to be at rest before you handle your hair. Your hair is not a walk in the park. It's not something that you just do in a hurry and feel like you have the best results. No, you need to be patient enough to gently detangle your hair so that you will not lose too much of the length that you are retaining over months or over weeks. 4C hair is not as hard as we think. If you know the right technique to follow, it is not as hard as we think. It is only when you are oblivious of what you need to do that is when you feel like it is difficult to manage. Several times, some people sleep without their silk bonnet. They just go to bed and, just do everything on vibes. No, you need to ensure that you're sleeping with your silk bonnet so that you don't have a lot of breakage, so that your hair does not keep having friction with your pillow and you keep wondering why your hair is breaking or why you see like bits of your hair when you wake up. You need to be very careful with what you do, both from the installation of your protective style to how you take down your protective style. Every little step matters in how your overall hair health is going to be. You need to be very, very careful with what you do to your hair. Every little step, every little procedure have like a serious effect on your hair. So I hope that you guys alongside my friend will learn from this video and just pull through. I remain your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next. And yeah, see ya. Bye.